Hello everyone here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a magic particle trail in After Effects. It's easy. Let's go. First, make a new composition, make it full HD and make duration 10 seconds. Go to layer, new solid, name it particular. Then press OK. Effect, Trapcode Particular. OK. Now go to designer. Press it. OK. I will choose blue swarm with trail. Then press apply. Now layer new light. Name it emitter. Press OK. Now go to particle, emitter, emitter type, change point to light. Go to layer, new, null object. Go to emitter, press P and null, press P, position in emitter, Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy. Go to window, then enable motion sketch from here. Go to motion sketch. Make sure that you are in the first frame. Start capture, then move your mouse as you like that. Yes. Now, press P in null object, press P in emitter, then go to copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to copy. Then remove null object. And here we go. Now go to particle to change color. Set color, change at start to overlay. Go to color overlay, preset, and choose any color you want. Go to aux system, live, okay, make live 1, yes. Then go to physics, air, turbulence field, then go to size, make it effect size maybe maybe I think 30, okay, like that. Then go to effect, stylize, glow. Now go to layer, new solid, name it particle 2. Go to effect, Trapcode Particular. Go to emitter, emitter type, change point to box. Make all velocity 0. Change emitter size to XYZ. Change size X and Y. Make it Full HD. Change particle to 500. Go to particle size, make it 2. Set color, change add start to overlay. Then choose any color you want. Then go to Physics, Air, Turbulence field. Change effect size to 10. Then go to Effect, Stylize, and choose Glow. Last thing, go to Layer, Use Solid, and name it Background. Go to Effect and Preset, choose Gradient Ramp. Change Linear Ramp to Radial Ramp. Now choose any color you want. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.